What's up everyone, my name is Jesse and welcome to my channel. So, it be getting hella hot inside the Jag, bro. I be toasting in there. I used to be a blue-eyed white man, but look at me now. I'm well done because of that reason. So the previous owner removed the headliner and now it just be getting hella hot during the summer. So today, I'm finna be installing some roof insulation heat shield and see if that cools down the car. It's my first time doing this, so let's find out how it turns out. Let's go. So it's a common Jaguar problem for the headliners to sag, and most owners fix it, and some of them just rip it off and just drive like that. So it gets hella hot in here. It starts feeling like an oven, bro. My thoughts be sizzling, my brain cells be frying, and everybody knows I only got a few more of those. So I'm trying to fix that by installing some insulation. Let me show you guys what I got. Come through. So here's the plan. I purchased this insulator heat shield foam from eBay, and I know eBay got hella bad reviews and nobody recommends purchasing products from there, but I need that sponsorship. Nah, I'm just kidding. I did some research, I compared it with other ones, and I think this one's gonna work out. Check it out. It has like this aluminum side. This has some foam in it, and it also has adhesive, so it's easy to apply. Let's see how big this is. I think that should cover it. I bought two just in case, but I think this should be plenty. This should not be long enough. Well, I think we'll make it work. First thing we gotta do though is clean the surface. So I got a microfiber towel and some alcohol, and we're gonna go and just wipe it clean before applying this. Yeah, the cut wasn't precise. I fucked up. I should have measured it first, then come out here and cut it. I thought I could just freestyle it and it'd be good, but nah, didn't work out. So let me first measure it, then I'll cut another one. Let's see. Let's do 4 feet. Let's do 4 feet. Let's see. Let's see. I don't got a Sharpie. We got this little section done. It looks all right, kind of ghetto to be real. Not sure if I'm gonna like it, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the same for the rest of the roof, and I'm finna show you guys how it ends up turning out. So let's take a real quick break from installing the insulation, and let's talk about how I messed up the paint job on my XJR. So I was detailing it, cleaning it up, getting it ready for a car event, and I wanted to go the extra mile, and I was like, you know what, let me polish it. I regret it. Check it out, you guys. I f***ed up the paint job. Look at all the swirls on it. This is gonna cost me. Now I gotta get it done professionally. I have no idea how to correct this. If anybody has any tips or advice, let me know in the comment section. Sometimes cheap is expensive. Yeah, I wasn't one with the machine, bruh. My brother was saying that it looked like I was fighting the machine. Yeah, I messed up. I'm hella sad about this. I was like, finally I have a, well, compared to the other Jag, I was like, I have a real nice black Jag now, but I had to do this. Looks horrible. Yeah, pretty bummed out. Let's get back to installing that insulation. Ugly ass cut right here. So let me show you guys how it's turning out. I know it looks like ass, it looks horrible, but let's find out if it works. So I got this infrared thermostat to check. Another thing I gotta fix.
This car.
I know. All right, just gotta do that side, and I'm gonna call it a day.
You said that for every side.
I know, I kept adding more. It's just like I want to cover. I'm trying to cover everything. Feels even cooler already, right? I can't even tell the difference.
We're in the shade.
I know. So the installation is done. It's not the prettiest. I know. For sure, I'm gonna have to install the headliner so I don't have to look at it. But while I'm driving, I'm not looking at the roof, so it's fine. And besides, it's doing what it's supposed to. It's keeping the car cool. Like, I mean, the installation feels warm, but it's not hot now. It's not burning my hand. Damn, bro, you got places to be. Alright, so overall, the installation does work. The cabin stays cooler now, and y'all saw the difference on the thermometer earlier. But I ain't finna lie, I know it doesn't look great. It looks cheap, but it is what it is now. It might have helped if I didn't use my daughter's scissors. The cuts would have been way cleaner. Also, that clear film that you have to peel off to get to the adhesive side is hella annoying. Sometimes it'll come off clean, but most of the time, it will shred into different pieces. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think, if this is something you do to your project car, and I'm finna be looking into how much a new headliner is going to cost me. It might be the next project for the XJR. That's if this video gets enough views. I appreciate y'all for watching, and if you haven't already, hit that like button. I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.